What's up, YouTube? You already know who it is, man. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, and I'm back with another video. Alright, so guys, on today's video, man, I will be installing these Switchback LEDs from Lasfit, guys. I will be giving y'all my honest, opinion on these lights, or what I like about them, if I like them, and everything else. So, without no further ado, man, we're gonna bust the pack open. I didn't want to open the pack. I actually wanted to share everything with you guys. And yeah, like I said, man, when the company reached out to me, guys, first thing I did, man, I had to go do a little check and to make sure everything was everything, man. And everything was everything, and here we are now. But as y'all can see, these are the DC 12 volt CAN bus ready new LED technology, much brighter than halogen. I'm just telling y'all what they saying, and USA customer support. So we're gonna get these here installed. I will show y'all the LED light just as well as the halogen light, and I will also give y'all guys a POV of how it may look at nighttime, to help y'all decide if y'all want to order these Lasfits or not. So without no further ado, we're gonna crack things open, man. So if you got a Tahoe, Suburban, Avalanche, anything of that nature, they make them for all vehicles, guys. So yeah, we're gonna see how these things perform, man. And it's a US brand. It says 1 year warranty. So we're gonna see if Lasfit standing on business, guys. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, so the first thing I want to do is pop my hood. So we're gonna pop this hood up on my Tahoe, man. And normally I don't think I may have to take the bumper off, but it depends. I may just be able to unloosen this light, just get it unloosened up, just so I can just pull it out a little bit to where I can actually install these LEDs. So yeah, man, we're gonna get this done, and I'll cut you guys back on. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so as y'all can see, I done took off my bumper, and it's easy to take off the bumper. You just got 4 across the top, and 2 10s on the side, just as well as 2 10mm on the bottom, and you just pull your bumper straight off. But we're gonna get into these Lasfits, man. Like I said, I got my bumper off. I just put my screw back in my headlight just to keep it in place, and it's a simple install. And I want to show you the bulbs in comparison. All right, guys, so on the left, as y'all can see, we have the normal OEM bulb, man. Your normal orange bulb that just come with all the cars you get. Now on the right, we have the LED by Lasfit, the Switchback, guys. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install this here, and I will show y'all in comparison how it looks. So give me a second, and I will turn the camera back on.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, so as y'all can see on this side, we got it as white, and looks pretty good. We're gonna bring y'all over here to this other side, and as y'all can see, this your normal amber color. All right, guys, so as y'all can see, I done got both sides in, and yeah, Sersky, man, I like that fresh white look right there. Hit the blanket. And as y'all can see, whenever I do hit the blanket, y'all see that switch back. We going from white to amber. Sheesh. Man, y'all jump down into the comments, guys. Y'all let me know. All right, let it go. Yes, Sersky. Lasfit for the win. Alright, man. So y'all done seen me swap the lights. Y'all done seen me out with the old lights. So now, guys, let me put this here bumper back on, and I'll give y'all the last little final look of the Lasfit switchbacks. But yeah, y'all see, man, I done got finished everything. We done wrapped them up. I will step out here tonight, guys, and give y'all a more detailed look of how they look coming down the street with the blinkers on, you know, all that good stuff, man. I will come up out of here and show you guys. But I'm sold, you know. I'm sold, man. They won me over, guys. Oh, man. I want to say special shout out to Lasfit, man. You know, like I said, guys, you know, I was going to give y'all my honest review. And, yeah, I got to keep it real, man. Y'all have to order some of these Lasfit lights. Get your bulbs, you know, get you some bulbs. Get you some of these sequential turning signals as well, you know. I don't have a promo code, but I will post the link in the description. But for right now, they got me sold. They done won me over, you heard me? I mean, I love these things, man. The whole front of the truck gonna be lit up white like I always pictured it to be. So yeah, like I said, man, y'all make sure y'all go to Lasfit. Hold up. Like I said, guys, y'all make sure y'all go to Lasfit. Y'all check them out on Amazon. I will post the link into the description. Y'all make sure y'all order y'all some of these switchbacks as well as the headlights, guys. My camera ain't doing no justice, but as y'all see, it's all bright white behind there. And I'm gonna give y'all one more time before I bring it in. Yeah, seriously. Get you some. Y'all see that side? Gonna show y'all the other side, just in white. Y'all see that side white? Got that side. Yes, Sirski. Hey, man. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Whoop Stop logging on, signing out, guys.